Today we're going to show you how to use the new direct line for the SodaStream. So you can see here, this is basically the package that you get. And let me start taking it out apart. First thing you see is the instructions. You can see right here. Alright, you also get a spare O-ring and a spare washer. The washer, doesn't matter what color it is as long as it fits the CGAs that you're using. Put that to the side. When you get the unit, this is basically the unit that you're going to get. Now this is a dual valve hose, and the new unit that you're getting does not have a quick disconnect on it. So basically you're not going to be able to take it apart. It's going to go directly, and you're going to be able to degas the unit with the valves. This one goes in different than other units since it doesn't have the quick disconnect on it. So basically what you want to do is you want to get the part that goes into the SodaStream first, and you want to install that in there. Make sure it's nice and tight, as you can see right here. Now once you have that in, you can take this off and just make sure the hose doesn't have any tension on it, as you can see right here. Now this side, the one that goes connected to the tank, you're going to see the washer that comes here. Basically need to do is just take it apart, and this is what goes installed in here. Alright, so here you go. Alright, now next step you want to do is you want to connect it to your tank. Make sure your tank is off all the way. You don't want to turn it on. And tighten all the way in. Now for this, you're going to need a wrench. Make sure you don't tighten it down with your hands only. You're going to need a wrench to make sure you put some pressure in there. Once you have that, there you go. There you go. Now once you have that, make sure it's nice and tight on both sides, and make sure both of the valves are off. So you can see right here, off and off. Next step, what you want to do is you want to open the tank. Now once you open the tank, this valve is off. You want to turn it on slowly, and that basically pressures the hose. Once you have that, you're able to use your machine. Alright, so once you're done using the machine, there's two ways to degas the system that you're using. You could either just keep using it, or you're going to do the valve. So the first one is by using it. What you want to do is you want to turn it off, make sure the tank is off, and you basically just start degassing until it degas the whole system. The second step, what the valve is for, you just basically open it, and that degasses the whole system. Now always make sure that the tank is off when you're doing this. And once you do that, you're ready to go. You can use it anytime you want.